Daytona, Dax. How we feeling, bro?
Feeling good. This will be my second round for me. We had to sit out Detroit, but we're excited. This is a good one, and looking forward to the night.
Yeah, no, I love this place. It's definitely a special one. Every year you come here, you don't know what to expect of the track, and it always surprises you. And it's cool. I'm excited. Looking forward to a good day today. Got the red plate. Happy with that. Let's go and have a good time.
This is Jackson Driscoll. I ride for the Gizmo Mods Rock River Yamaha team. This is the first qualifier. The track's brutal, but got another qualifier up in about an hour, so it should be a lot better. And they hauled in quite a different soils. There's red clay, sand, just topsoil, like you said. And yeah, we actually rode. I'm from MTF, so we rode a Daytona track, spec track last week, and it's very similar soils. So.
Yeah, Daytona's been good so far. I mean, free practice is over. Track's really shaping up nice. It's breaking down really quick, actually, which probably isn't my favorite. I like when it's technical and ruddy. So, yeah, I'm happy. The bike's good. We figured out everything over the break. You know, we've been grinding nonstop, it seems like. So it's nice to finally have a little break and then get back into the racing. And yeah, so far so good for me. I feel comfortable, and bike's fast, and we're good to go.
I can't help but notice we have a right hand first turn. How do we feel about that?
Yeah, of course, that plays into my favor with the handbrake, of course. So, yeah, I'll definitely be braking with the foot off in the right-hander. So, you know, it's a little advantage for me. So I'll take whatever I can get, and yeah, you know, stoked for it.
The name is Justin Turner, number 257. The first session was sick. Fresh track is so awesome, and now it's beat, dude. It's so gnarly, like gnarliest supercross track I've ever ridden for sure. It's sick. Actually, I only had 3 days on supercross. I was super short notice. I was on moto getting ready for areas and regionals. So I had 3 days this week, and we're here, so making it work. I just got P5 in qualifying, so doing pretty good.
I'm Alexander Fedortsov. I'm riding for Makov FX Club X Yamaha. Truck is good, getting a little ruddy, a little soft. Yeah, I did last year at Daytona and kind of know what to expect from the track, so we're kind of a little ready for that. So.
Yeah, they freshened up the track a little bit. They definitely knocked the whoops down, so they went from jumpers to full skimmers. I definitely tried a little too hard that practice for myself. I was making a lot of mistakes, and then also after having a malfunction, being way back gate pick, you know, in the points. So when we go to the line, they go off of points. So I'm already buried in the points, so I have to start way outside, which doesn't help me at all. Yeah, honestly, it's been the left side all day, but since now that we've been going there, we've got big sand rollers on the left side, and I honestly think the right side's starting to come into shape now, where it's a lot flatter and less sand rollers, really. So yeah, it's interesting. It's like we favor one side, and then as soon as one's faster, we go to the other. So I think main event time, it'll probably be pretty even, but we'll see in the heat race. It'll be all fresh again.
You know, it's one of those days where, like, yeah, there's no pressure, but things can go south quick. So it's time to lock back in. Had a weird thing happen in the first one, and in free practice, and then the first qualifying session got 2 laps in, and no kidding, I looped out. It's pretty pathetic. It's kind of embarrassing. So, yeah, just gotta reel it back in and, you know, get it done in the second qualifying session. Ride like we know how to, and yeah, just treat it like any other day racing. So, still keep the fun in it, obviously, but it's time to go do what we know how to do, and that's beat Cody Shock and run up front.
Daytona, always excited to be here, and yeah, track's really tough, like normal, really beat up, so.
It looks like topsoil, like it looks super loose. Is that what it feels like?
Yeah, I would say even like a little bit like sandier than that. Like it's just, yeah, it's super loose, and you kind of got some ruts that form underneath it, so like, yeah, it's almost like a slippery, hard, I don't know, hard base. It's tough, so you gotta be on your toes the whole time, and it's hard to really send it out there, but it's kind of what it takes, so you gotta find the fine line.
Daytona, man, it's hectic. It's been a good day so far. I qualified 4th in that last one. We got one more coming up. But feeling good, feeling a good flow. Track's really gnarly as always, and it's gonna be a long main event, so looking forward to it.
sick gift. It's the best gift I ever got, actually. Yeah, it's good. We just wrapped up qualifying. I think I was 6th, so yeah, it was good. It's going to be about putting the lines together and doing them every lap tonight. Track's gnarly, it's rutted, so yeah, just got to stay on my toes, honestly, and yeah, just fight for it, so it'll be fun.
Yeah, good. It's a tricky track. Got to respect it. Just figuring out what works and what doesn't. They cut the whoops down in that second session, but overall feeling good. We're in a good spot. Heading into the night show. Let's get it on. Let's go and put on a good show tonight.
It's pretty rough out there already. How do you feel about it?
It is, but I felt really good in the first qualifier where it was really rough, and they flattened a lot of it. But it's fast. It's just Daytona. It's definitely something different.
Oh yeah, there's really no other Supercross like it. It's a one-off kind of race, but yeah, it's gnarly out there. The more of motocross ruts, so yeah, it's track's steep, and yeah, it's very difficult and demanding. I think we'll be a little bit better tonight. Yeah, just ready to get racing. It's going to be about 2 good starts in the heat and the main, and yeah, let's just go racing.
You got the big names in this first heat. Back in Daytona, we keep this racing vibe going to kick the year off. What a great sound! Drop the gate, let's get the night going! First heat of the 250 East. But great start from Nate Thrasher.
And this is one of these guys.
Oh! Not such a great start, he's down! Max Anstie. Anstie's now working on Hardy Munoz. Here we go. Heat 2 of the 450s. Who gets the best jump? Oh my goodness, it is not even close.
Cooper Webb goes down.
Wow, I didn't see that one.
Here's Webb, championship leader, making his comeback. He's already worked his way back up into the top 9. Riders at the line for Daytona's main event for SMX Next. Huge moment this is for these youngsters. Here we go. That's Alexander Fedortsov, 2017. He raced 65s here. Fedortsov looking down, looking back at his bike. He had a massive lead, and that has evaporated. He's lost it.
I just passed him right away, and I just felt so good on the track, and man, I just gone, dude. I was like 7 seconds. You slowed and pushed the I was gone, and I was like, dude, I'm gonna. I mean, and I'll tell you, that's what those guys are scared. Absolutely. I was just gone, and I was like, dude, that's the win. I know that's the win because I was like, dude, I'm gonna be first win of the ever. And as soon as I feel that flat, and I was like, no way, bro.
This is round 3 of the 2025 East Division Championship. Will we get another different winner? Let's find out. The championship leaders on the inside. Anstie gets a good start. Fiala around the outside, and Anstie's down. The championship leader is at the back of this field.
You see there Mitch Payton looking on, of course. Such a
Wow! Huge crash from Levi Kitchen. Oh man, this race is going to be red flag. Right on the halfway point. 250 main back on.
Max up to 6th right there, get past Carson.
And it is valuable points for Max Anstie. He came in with the red plate. He will leave with the championship leader's red plate.
Yeah, good day, or good night, I should say. And yeah, heat race was a little tight. Didn't ride my greatest, but I definitely rode my greatest in the main. So didn't get a good jump. The guys flinched, and I got a bad start, and then was just really coming into my favor there at the end when we got the red flag, and honestly put me in a golden position. I was 8th, and I was feeling really good. Had all my lines dialed at that point, and I knew that I was fast, and yeah, I just made the best of it and got 5th. So it was a good night for me. Awesome. Get something to build off of finally. I've had 2 rough weekends, 2 rough races, and finally get a good solid finish under my belt. The bike's solid. Everything's in the right direction, so just got to move forward from here.
Just these guys ready to win 450 main here in Daytona. Let's go! All right, here comes Cooper Webb. Here comes the championship leader. To pressure Aaron Plessinger for that 2nd spot.
Here, Cooper. Yeah.
his bike, trying to like spook AP just a little bit to get AP to move.
It's like they know he's been doing it every corner, every race, but he still gets himself.
Oh, there's only 2 minutes and 30 seconds left before the white flag comes out. It's go time. And oh, that's gonna crush his opportunity to win.
Yeah, Daytona, another P2, man. It's overall for the points, it's great, but man, it stings a little bit being that close. Put myself in a great spot to win tonight, and yeah, Kenny got around me, and then I rode really good after that. Was making a charge, was getting to be on the back of his wheel, and then just made a lot of mistakes after that, and yeah, just can't make those mistakes and expect to win. So a little bummed, like I said. I felt like I let that one slip a little bit, but with that also being said, Ken rode awesome. He straight up won, so we'll take it, and we'll go into Indy with some momentum.
Yeah, got it within striking distance the last lap, and honestly, I had a perfect last lap. I got to give it to AP. He didn't make any mistakes there, and I felt like I had a few passing spots, and it's like he had eyes in the back of his head, so it's a bummer. Yeah, wish I could have got off to a little bit better of a start. I think I was like 10th, so really had my work cut out for myself, and just charged to the end and did what I could. Was able to get by Chase there, and yeah, Jason really made it tough on me tonight, so he held me up a little bit, kind of delayed my charge a little bit, but that's how it goes. These guys aren't going to give up easy, so yeah, we move on to next week, and everything's, you know, going in the right direction. I think just got to be patient, and my time will come, and yeah, just keep at it.
How was Project David and Goliath?
Project what?
When the guy slung the stone and killed the giant?
Oh, I'm good. P14 on the night, P5 in my heat race. Insane. You know, we came here to have fun. Started off on the struggle bus a little bit, but really locked in and figured it out, and I was really happy with my riding tonight. Super consistent, bike was awesome. This muck-off FXR Club Max Yamaha is just, it's a blast to ride. I mean, I get to ride the best bike that I've ever had, so for a living too. So that's crazy, and it's the life that I live is pretty surreal. So very grateful and just ready for more.
So does that mean you're going to be doing this again sometime?
Never know. You never know. This one felt good, and I like the race, so who knows, right? But I think I proved that today was a good day, and maybe we can do more. I don't know. We'll see. But there's no guarantee.